Want to make your videos easier to understand with captions? Clipchamp can generate captions from spoken audio and lets you review and customize the text. In this guide, I'll show you how to add captions in Clipchamp step by step in 2026. First, open Clipchamp and create a new project or open an existing one. Import your video and place it on the timeline. Make sure your video has clear spoken audio before generating captions. Next, look for the Captions or CC option in the Clipchamp editor. Select it to access the automatic caption feature. Depending on your version, Clipchamp may ask you to choose the language spoken in the video. Start the automatic caption process and let Clipchamp analyze the video's audio. The time required can depend on the length of your video. When processing is complete, the generated captions will appear with your video. Now review the generated captions carefully. Automatic transcription can sometimes make mistakes, especially with names or unclear speech. Select individual caption text and correct anything that isn't accurate. Check the timing of each caption as well. Make sure the text appears when the speaker says the corresponding words. If necessary, adjust the caption timing so viewers can comfortably read each line. Depending on the caption tools available, customize the appearance to make the text easier to read. Choose an appropriate style, size, and position while keeping the captions clear against the background. Finally, play your video from beginning to end and check the captions for accuracy, timing, and readability. When everything looks good, select Export, choose your preferred video quality, and create the finished video. And that's how to add captions in Clipchamp in 2026. Generate the captions, review the text, adjust timing and appearance, preview your video, and export the final result. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next